welcome to my channel. I'm Trisha Gupta and today I'm gonna swatch and review Swiss Beauty X Harry Potter Tinted Lip Gloss. Yes, you heard me right. Swiss Beauty X Harry Potter lip glosses. So उन्होंने एक पूरा हैरी पॉटर कलेक्शन निकाला है बट मेरे पास लिप ग्लॉसेस ही है. उन्होंने 3 शेड्स लॉन्च किए थे एंड मेरे पास तीनों शेड्स हैं. इट्स कॉल्ड स्पेल बाइंडिंग टिंटेड ग्लॉस. I'm super excited. So, saying that, let's get started. So, this is what the outer packaging looks like. You get 12 months of shelf life and 10 ml of product. This is the inner packaging. It's a normal tube packaging with a plastic tip applicator. I'm not a big fan of this kind of applicator, but yes. Now, the first shade that I'm trying is Cherry Red 01, and it's a very pretty pinkish reddish mix kind of shade. It's not extremely dark red. The formula glides on easily. It's very creamy, very comfortable, but not extremely pigmented. As you can see, I have applied a good amount and I'm getting medium coverage, so it won't cover any lip pigmentations. Now, after every use, the applicator gets dirty, but it's very easy to clean. One swipe and it's clean. And here's a quick close up for you to understand the shade better. It's a very pretty pinkish reddish kind of shade. It's not extremely dark red, and the formula is so comfortable. It's super hydrating, just like a tinted lip balm. Very hydrating, very moisturizing. Now let's do a transfer test. Obviously it's not transfer proof and I'm checking for any after tint, no stain. Now the next shade that I have is toffee brown, and it's my personal favorite shade. It's a very pretty brown girl friendly shade. It's a very pretty warm brown shade on me. And guys, I'm really sorry for this terrible lighting. Due to monsoon season, I'm not getting enough lighting. I'm so sorry. This shade is so pretty. ये एक ऐसा शेड है कि अगर मुझे बाहर जाना है मैं इसे लगा के तुरंत बाहर चल जाऊंगी. एज अ टिंटेड लिप बाम, इट्स सो प्रिटी एंड फ्लैटरिंग. आउट ऑफ 3 दिस इज माई पर्सनल फेवरेट एंड मैं यही वाला सजेस्ट करूंगी सबको. एंड द लास्ट शेड इज बेरी पिंक. Out of the batch, this is the lightest shade. This will only suit fair and light skin tones, and I will say it's not washing me out completely, but without makeup it's not that flattering on my skin tone. It's a very light pink shade. Maybe it's the undertone. It has that whitish base to it, and it's a very pretty pink shade. It works really well with lip combos, but on its own, on medium skin tone and deeper skin tone, it's not gonna work. It's only gonna look good if you have fair skin tones. But yeah, the formula is good and the shade is a very pretty pink shade. Now here's a quick final hand swatch for you guys. Now just to see कि lip combo के ऊपर ये कैसा लगता है, I have done a very random lip combo and I am applying the shade number 02 toffee brown, and this is the finish. It's a very pretty glossy finish, but it's not extremely glossy. In my personal opinion, I think they are trying to dupe Vaseline gloss. The tube style packaging is same plastic tip applicator. If I have to compare them, I will say the Vaseline one is more pigmented than this one, but the Swiss Beauty one is more hydrating than the Vaseline one. Now, first let's talk about the packaging. The packaging is good and simple, but I don't like the applicator. It's my personal preference कि मुझे plastic tip applicators नहीं पसंद. I personally don't like plastic tip applicators. Now let's talk about the formula. I love it. You can use this as a lip balm and go, because बहुत ही hydrating formula है. But the pigment payoff is not that great. The pigment payoff is like a tinted lip balm. If you have lip pigmentation, then on its own this gloss won't be able to cover it. बट इट्स नॉट सुपर ग्लॉसी, कि ऐसा भी नहीं है कि बहुत ज़्यादा एक्सट्रीम जूसी फिनिश देता है. I personally think it's more like a tinted lip balm than a gloss. And my personal favorite shade is 02. It's my like everyday going out shade right now. It's not long lasting. You have to reapply, but that's very common with glosses. So yeah, that's all. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching. It means a lot that you guys watch my videos. Please like and subscribe and help me grow my channel. Thank you so much. Bye.